Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to boost your VPN speed using ZIVPn Tunnel and a UDP server. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store. In the search box, type ZIVPn Tunnel and click on it. Then, tap the install button to download it to your device. Once the app is installed, open ZIVPn Tunnel. It should only take a few seconds to load and bring you to the home screen of the app. Now, first click the UDP checkbox. Just above the Start button, you'll see a small arrow. Click on it. This will open the server location page. Here you can choose a server location of your preference. Simply select one from the list. Once you've selected a server, click the Start button and enjoy secure internet browsing. If you want access to premium servers, click on the Subscribe button to upgrade. After subscribing, click the Start button again to enjoy even faster and more secure web browsing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.